Let's take a closer look at the Pink Stuff Bathroom Foam Cleaner. So if you're looking to go green and remove those harsh chemicals from your home, then I have the perfect product for you. This is a bathroom foam cleaner with a spray pump, and it makes your bathroom sparkle and it smells so good. It has a pleasant rhubarb scent, which is not overpowering at all. Now this Pink Stuff bathroom cleaner can remove dirt and soap and grime, and it also removes and prevents limescale, leaving your home very pristine and very clean. Now it's easy to use. As you can see, it has a spray nozzle, and I have used this on my bathroom sinks. I've wiped down my toilets, my ceramic tile in my bathroom shower, and it works amazing. Now my favorite thing about this cleaner is it's made from 100% natural ingredients. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free. So if you've never tried the Pink Stuff products, I highly recommend them because I guarantee you will not be disappointed.